Sit comfortably, slowly close your eyes, straighten your posture, relax your shoulders, relax your forehead, deep inhale from your nostrils and exhale from your mouth. You are becoming calmer and more relaxed. You are composed with every breath and listening to my voice. Think about the memory or a moment that brings you anxiousness and recall the last time you experienced it. Try to locate the location where you feel this anxiety. It might be in your head. You may feel a heavy head. You may feel a rigid neck, stiff shoulders, or squeeziness in the stomach. Feel it wherever you are feeling. You can feel anxiety at multiple locations as well. When you find the location of your anxiety, give a black color to that place. See the anxiety areas as black patches. It can be at multiple locations. Now imagine you are standing in front of the waterfall. Water is blessed with the healing energies, high vibration energies. Now imagine yourself under the waterfall and imagine water passing through your scalp, touching your hair roots and getting into your whole frame. This blessed water is washing out all your black patches. Imagine these black color patches are getting removed from your body from head to toe. If there are any patches left, visualize You are scratching those unclean parts the way you clean your dishes through the cleaner. All the black patches are getting washed off completely, is getting removed completely from your body. Water is entering from your scalp, washing off all the black patches of low vibration energies related to anxiety from head to toe. It's a recovery water. Water is blessed with the healing energies. Your stress, anxiety is getting removed slowly and gradually. Now imagine your heart smiling. See your face in your both the shoulders. Your face is smiling. Each and every part of your body cells are smiling. Imagine your entire body is filled with white color and feeling very light within you. Imagine white balloons in your lungs and head touching your inner walls, making you feel extremely light. Imagine these balloons are floating at your lower back. Relax your forehead. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck, your spine, your arms, your thighs, your ankles, your toes, your complete body is relaxed. All the black patches of anxiety are completely removed. You are anxiety free. Now you can slowly rub your hands and open your eyes. Now think again about the event from where you experienced anxiety last time and observe how you feel. You will feel the calmness, stillness inside you. Even after you remind yourself about the anxiety.